Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your DNS on your Firefox browsing app on smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So by changing your DNS, you'll be able to enhance performance of your browser or enhance security while browsing. To do this, open your Firefox browser on your smartphone and then tap on this ellipsis, and from here you should see settings. Under settings, scroll down until you see DNS over HTTPS. So if I tap on this is the default protection that Firefox uses. You can now change this by selecting any of these. For instance, increased protection. If you wish this, you can choose it. If you want maximum, or you can also just turn off. If you turn off, you'll use your default DNS resolver. So that's how you can change your DNS on Firefox mobile browser. If you have any other question, please let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.